Alright. Welcome to Ryan's universe. We're gonna do
lava lamp. Give it to mommy.
Yeah.
So step 1, we're gonna add the oil.
Yeah.
Vegetable oil. You will need it.
Well, you will need food coloring.
That also.
Yeah.
So you're gonna add the vegetable oil 3/4 of the way full. So about, I'll say right there.
So guess what?
What?
Food coloring is what you put in like stuff that you're making so you could change the color.
Remember we did that with icing?
Yeah.
We bought a bunch of ice cream
Right.
things and yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
But step number 2 is your water.
Yeah.
You will need at least 1.
Yeah.
We're gonna.
My dad just brought a million, so.
Well, those are for us to drink, but we're gonna fill the rest of the container with water.
Yeah.
Leaving 2 to 3 inches of room at the top. So we'll say about that.
Now there's so much bubbles.
Now what kind of
water is more dense than oil, so it's heavier.
Yeah.
So you can see
Bubbles.
Yeah.
Right?
You can see
What is the next?
that they are not attracted to each other at all. Water molecules are polar
Alright,
and oil molecules are non-polar.
Alright, let's.
Alright. So step 3 is the color.
Alright.
Let the water
10 drops.
Yes. Let the water settle for about a minute. Okay.
So let's just.
Now add 10 drops of food coloring, buddy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright.
Alright, watch the reaction. Look at the reaction. Come from the bottom, mommy. Look at how it's pretty sweet. You guys can do this at home.
Yeah.
Now, you can add more if you want, but we're just gonna try what they said.
Yeah.
10 drops.
Yeah.
Now,
Well, you guys could do more than 10 drops. It said it when my dad was reading it.
Right.
Oh, look at it!
Yeah, look at it. Now, drop your Alka-Seltzer tablet. Mommy, show them you'll need that.
Yeah.
And Ryan's gonna drop it in.
Yeah.
And let the games begin, dude. Yeah. Now the water reaction creates carbon dioxide gas bubbles that stick to the water droplets.
Yeah.
So that's how that
effect happens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That looks
And there
really
you go.
cool.
Here's your own lava lamp. And guys, if you get food coloring, you will need that. You can pick any color and make any color lava lamp you want.
Yeah.
I don't know if we can mix it, but let's try and mix a red in there quick.
Yeah.
Go ahead, add like 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It does work.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nice. Is it coming up? Alright, let's try and drop one more Alka-Seltzer tablet in it.
Yeah.
We're doing extra, sorry. Drop.
I dropped it.
Oh,
Whoa.
dude.
Look, the red's coming up.
Yeah, right. Red and blue.
Yeah.
So you can mix them.
Yeah.
Whichever color you use first is going to be the most that you see.
It looks black.
We are overreacting right now.
I'm inside of there. I'm like, ah.
Oh, the top looks cool.
Right.
Yeah, it looks cool.
Well.
Oh, look what color it made it.
Yeah, it's like a green now.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
So now you can make different colors.
Yes, so guys, that is how you make your own lava lamp at home without spending a bunch of money.
This is all from the Dollar Tree.
Yep.
No dollars.
Well, trees. But alright, Ryan. Say bye.
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 Bye. Have a good night. Ew.
It's weird.
End it?
No.
No.
No. What are you gonna do? Add more? It's not, I don't think it'll do anything.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
you're crazy. Oh my god. End that.
Can
Okay.
you also do that too?
No, you can't do that.
Only put in food.
Ah!